Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this video we're going to talk about how to add or change a Facebook page cover photo. So let's get started. First, go to the page. Then from here, go to the page profile. As you can see, my page doesn't have a cover photo. To add one, tap here. Next, choose upload photo. Select a photo from your gallery. Here at the bottom, you will be asked whether you want to share this change as a post or not. If you want to share it, keep this option checked like this. If you doesn't want to share it, uncheck it like this. Then tap on save. And as you can see, the cover photo has been changed.